Welcome to Ace English Daily. Hello everyone. How are you today? I'm so happy you are here with us. Today, we are going to talk about something we all do every single day. We are going to talk about our daily routine in English. You will follow a simple and relaxing conversation between two friends talking about their day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every single word. So please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What time does the woman wake up in the morning? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section below. We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you. By writing your answer in English in the comments, you are practicing your English output, and that is one of the best ways to improve your English fast. So please, write your answer below when you find it. Even one word is perfectly fine. All right, are you ready? Okay, let us begin.
Good morning. I am so tired today.
Good morning. You look tired. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I woke up very early this morning.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. My alarm rang at 6 o'clock and I could not sleep again after that.
6 o'clock? That is very early.
Yes, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but today I woke up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 7:30 every morning. 7:30 is my normal wake-up time every day.
7:30 sounds really nice. What do you do first when you wake up?
The first thing I do every morning is turn off my alarm. Then I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
5 minutes in bed after the alarm? I do that too. It feels so good before getting up.
Yes, then I get up and go to the bathroom. I get up and go to the bathroom. That is my first step.
Me too. I wash my face first. Washing my face wakes me up completely.
I wash my face too. Washing my face is very refreshing every single morning.
And then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning and every night without fail.
I brush my teeth every morning too. Brushing my teeth is the most important habit for me.
After I brush my teeth, I take a shower. A hot shower makes me feel so much better.
I take a shower every morning, too. A hot shower in the morning is the best feeling in the world.
Yes! How long is your shower?
My shower is about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That is enough time for me every morning.
My shower is also about 10 minutes, sometimes a little longer on weekends, but 10 minutes is normal.
After my shower, I get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day.
I choose my clothes the night before. I prepare them the night before so I do not waste time.
That is a very good idea. Preparing your clothes the night before saves so much time in the morning.
Yes, it saves at least 10 minutes, and 10 minutes is very valuable in the morning.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I really enjoy making breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with butter and a cup of coffee. Toast and coffee is my breakfast every single day.
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast. Eggs and toast, that is my favorite morning meal every day.
Eggs are very healthy. Eggs and toast sounds like a perfect and energizing breakfast.
Yes, and I always drink a big glass of water first thing. Before I eat anything, I drink water.
Drinking water in the morning is very healthy. Water wakes up your body completely from the inside.
Exactly. Water is the first thing I put in my body every single morning, every single day.
After breakfast, I check my phone. I check my messages and my emails quickly before leaving.
I check my phone too, but I try not to spend too much time on my phone in the morning.
That is a very good habit. Too much phone time in the morning takes away your energy and focus.
Right. So I only spend about 5 minutes on my phone. 5 minutes maximum. Then I get ready to leave.
How do you get to work every morning?
I take the bus to work. The bus stop is very close to my house. Very close. Just 2 minutes away.
The bus is very convenient. I walk to work every morning. My office is only 15 minutes away on foot.
Walking to work sounds so wonderful. Fresh air every single morning, that is so good for your health.
Walking every morning is great exercise, and I really enjoy my morning walk to start the day right.
That is a perfect start to any day. Morning movement makes everything so much better.
What time is your lunch break at work?
My lunch break is at 12:30. 12:30 every day. I have 1 full hour for lunch.
1 hour is a great amount of time for lunch. My lunch break starts at 1 o'clock every day.
What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I usually go out and buy lunch from a nearby restaurant. I like eating outside when the weather is nice.
I sometimes bring lunch from home. I prepare my lunch the night before. The night before is my rule.
That is very smart. Bringing lunch from home saves a lot of money every single week.
Yes, and it is usually much healthier too. I know exactly what is in my food when I cook it myself.
That is a very good point. Home-cooked food is always healthier than buying food outside every day.
But sometimes I eat at a restaurant too, especially on Fridays. Friday lunch at a restaurant is a really nice treat, something wonderful to look forward to every week.
Exactly. It's my little reward for working hard all week long. My Friday reward to myself. What do you usually eat for lunch on a normal day?
I usually eat a fresh salad and some grilled chicken, something light and healthy for my afternoon energy.
I like to eat rice and vegetables for lunch. Rice and vegetables gives me energy for the whole afternoon.
Rice is a great lunch choice. Do you drink coffee after lunch?
Yes, I always have 1 cup of coffee after lunch. Just 1 cup. That coffee helps me focus all afternoon.
Me too. 1 cup of coffee after lunch is perfect for me. Not too much, just 1 cup right after eating.
After lunch, I sometimes take a short walk, just 10 minutes around the office building outside.
A short walk after lunch is very good for your body and your mind. 10 minutes of walking after eating.
Yes, a short walk after eating helps so much. I feel so much better after my lunchtime walk every day.
And then we go back to work and finish the rest of the afternoon feeling refreshed and ready.
If you are enjoying this lesson right now, please subscribe to Ace English Daily. Look at the bottom of your screen right now. You will see a red button. Click that red button. Then click the bell next to it. You will never miss a free English lesson from us. It takes only 2 seconds. Please do it right now before you forget.
What do you do in the afternoon at work?
In the afternoon, I usually have meetings. 2 or 3 meetings every single afternoon.
Meetings can be very tiring sometimes. Do you have a lot of meetings every day?
Yes, sometimes too many meetings in one day. But meetings are important for working well together.
I have meetings too, but I prefer working alone at my desk. I concentrate so much better when I am alone.
I understand completely. Working alone is sometimes more productive. You can really focus on your work.
Yes, when I work alone at my desk, I finish my tasks so much faster than in a meeting.
What time do you usually finish work in the evening?
I finish work at 5:30. 5:30 every single day. My working day always ends at 5:30.
I finish at 6 o'clock every day. My working day is a little longer than yours every evening.
6 o'clock is quite late. Do you feel very tired after work?
Yes, I feel quite tired by 6 o'clock every evening, but I also feel proud of finishing all my work well.
That is such a great feeling. The feeling after a very productive day is really wonderful and satisfying.
Exactly. Even when I am tired, I feel good and satisfied about everything I did during the day.
After work, how do you get home every evening?
I walk home every evening. Remember I told you my office is only 15 minutes away on foot?
Yes, the walk home must feel so relaxing and peaceful after a long and busy day at work.
It is very relaxing. I listen to music or a podcast while I walk home every single evening.
Listening to music while walking home is so nice and relaxing. I do that on the bus too every evening.
Music makes the journey feel so much shorter. Time passes very quickly when you listen to good music.
Yes, before you know it, you are already home. Home sweet home after a long working day.
What do you do first when you get home in the evening?
The first thing I do when I get home is change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes immediately.
Me too. Changing into comfortable clothes is one of the best feelings after a long day at work.
Yes, I change into something very soft and comfortable, something I can fully relax in at home.
After I change, I make a cup of tea. A cup of tea helps me relax so well after a long day of work.
Tea is so relaxing and calming. I make tea too every evening. Green tea is my favorite tea at night.
I drink green tea too in the evening. Green tea is very healthy and very calming before dinner time.
After my tea, I cook dinner. I usually start cooking dinner at around 7 o'clock every evening.
What do you usually cook for dinner on a weekday?
I cook pasta or rice with vegetables. Simple but very delicious. Simple but very healthy every night.
Pasta is so easy to cook and so delicious. I love cooking pasta in the evening after a long day.
Yes, pasta takes only 20 minutes to cook. It is the perfect quick dinner for busy weekday evenings.
I sometimes cook chicken with vegetables for dinner. Chicken and vegetables is my absolute favorite.
That sounds really healthy and delicious. Do you eat dinner alone or with someone?
I usually eat dinner with my friend at home. We eat together and talk about our day over the meal.
Eating dinner with someone is so much nicer than eating alone. Good conversation makes food taste better.
That is so true. Sharing a meal with someone you like is truly one of the best parts of any day.
After dinner, I wash the dishes right away. I always wash the dishes immediately after eating, right away.
I wash the dishes right away too. I cannot leave dirty dishes in the sink overnight. I have to clean them.
Me neither. A clean and tidy kitchen makes me feel so much better before I go to sleep at night.
After washing the dishes, what do you do to relax in the evening?
I watch television for about 1 hour, or I read a book. It depends on how tired I feel that evening.
I watch television too in the evening, or I scroll through my phone, sometimes too much time on my phone.
Yes, we all spend too much time on our phones in the evening. It is a very common bad habit today.
You are completely right. Too much phone time before sleeping is not good for your sleep quality at all.
I try to stop using my phone at 9:30 every night. 9:30 is my phone off time every evening.
9:30 is a really great and healthy habit. I try to do the same thing, but sometimes I'm not successful.
It is hard to stop at first, but it really helps your sleep so much. I sleep much better without the phone.
Good quality sleep is so important for everything. Without good sleep, nothing works well the next day.
Exactly. Good sleep is the most important part of our daily routine, the most important part of the day.
You are doing so well today, and I am really proud of you. If you have not subscribed to Ace English Daily yet, please do it right now. Look at the bottom of your screen. Click the red subscribe button, then click the bell and choose all notifications. You will never miss a single free English lesson from us. We post new lessons every single day, all completely free, all made just for you.
What time do you usually go to bed at night?
I usually go to bed at 10:30. 10:30 is my normal bedtime, every single night of the week.
10:30 is a really good time to sleep. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I need at least 8 hours of sleep.
8 hours of sleep is perfect. I also need about 8 hours to feel good and energetic the next morning.
Before I go to bed, I brush my teeth again, and I wash my face one more time before sleeping.
I do exactly the same thing every night. Brushing teeth and washing face before bed is so important.
And then I get into bed. I read a few pages of my book. Reading always helps me fall asleep naturally.
Reading before bed is such a wonderful habit. It relaxes your mind so completely before sleeping.
Yes, after a few pages, my eyes feel heavy, and then I fall asleep very quickly and very peacefully.
Do you read every single night before going to sleep?
Yes, I read every night without fail. Reading is my absolute favorite way to relax before sleeping.
What kind of books do you like to read at night?
I read novels, stories about interesting people and beautiful places. I love reading good stories.
I sometimes read English books before bed. Reading in English helps my vocabulary grow every night.
That is such a great idea. Reading in English every day is very good for your language skills overall.
And then we fall asleep and wake up the next morning and do it all again. A new day, a new routine.
Yes, that is our daily routine.
Every day is a little different, but mostly the same beautiful routine.
And every single day is a new and wonderful chance to speak better English than the day before.
Exactly. Every single day is a new opportunity to grow and to improve yourself in every way possible.
I love that idea so much. Every day is a completely new beginning, a fresh and beautiful start. How was it today? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What time does the woman wake up in the morning? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section right now. Even one simple sentence is perfectly fine. And now, I want to ask you something personal and important. What time do you wake up every morning? Write your answer in English in the comments right now. For example, you can write, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Write it right now. I want to read your answer. Tell us about your daily routine in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video today, please do 3 things for me right now. Number 1, click the like button below this video. It helps more people find this lesson and learn English completely for free. Number 2, subscribe to Ace English Daily if you have not done it yet. Click the red subscribe button and the bell. You will never miss a free English lesson from us ever again. Number 3, leave a comment below with your answer to today's question, or tell us what time you wake up every morning. We read every single comment, and we truly love hearing from all of you every day. Thank you so much for watching today. You are absolutely amazing. Keep practicing your English every single day. Little by little, step by step, day by day, your English is getting better and better. I truly believe in you. I will see you in the very next video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. Remember, every single day is a new chance to speak better English than yesterday. We believe in you completely. Keep going and never stop. See you in the next video. Bye for now.